Well, you can add today's recipe to almost anything for a little extra something. Howard shows us how to make a blue cheese topper in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Today, I thought I'd spotlight one of my favorite cheeses. It's one that many love and some aren't that familiar with. I'm talking about blue cheese. So let me show you how you can dress it up, so to speak, so you can serve it with just about anything. We start by crumbling some blue cheese into a shallow bowl. The key is to make sure you buy a drier variety, which tends to break up easily rather than clumping. Or you can start with the pre-crumbled kind, which is often less expensive. We top this with some chopped red onion, which adds crunch, and parsley for some extra freshness. Now, we combine some olive oil, a bit of red wine vinegar, minced garlic, and a little black pepper. Once it's whisked together, we drizzle this over our crumbled blue cheese before popping it in the fridge. And as for ways to serve this, well, let's just say almost anything goes. It's perfect to smear on slices of French bread for an easy appetizer, or as a topper on everything from salads to burgers. You see, the combo of the cheese and the tangy vinaigrette adds a wow factor to anything it goes over. To get this simple as can be recipe for blue cheese topper, just head over to our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty and versatile way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4-state market prices.